Hola clase, bienvenidos a ¿Dónde está? ¿Dónde está means where is, so these would be the answers to that question. A preposition is just something that puts something else in relation to that object. So, for example, it's anything a mouse can do to a box. So it can be in a box, around a box, over a box, under a box, beside a box, along a box. So it's putting the mouse in relation to the box. So it's anything in relation to another thing. So like phrases that do that. So like to the right of, to the left of, beside, between, behind, in front of. And you can have prepositions of time too. So you can have before, during, or after. And then these ones are ones that we've already looked at before. So a, con, de, en, para, por, y hasta. The biggest thing here that we want to do is make sure that you do know all the ones that are in the repaso. So, for example, a means what? It means at in the case of time, and it means to in the case of everything else. Like to or towards something. So, when we do the verb to go this week, you'll see the verb, there's the letter a used all the time. Con, with, de, of or from, in or on. Para is for, por is for. But think of para as in order to, or for the purpose of, and por as by means of. And then, so for example, yo hablo por teléfono means I'm talking by means of the telephone. Or like yo viajo a Mexico por avión means I'm traveling to Mexico by means of an airplane. And then hasta means until, if you remember that from chapter 1 as well. So the prepositions of lugar are the ones that we are most focused on this section. And the prepositions of time we did last week. So they should be a good review. And we will learn these ones in a Senor Wooly song, which I really suggest that you do. And I will also do a video right underneath this one to give you actions for that song. It will help you. The more senses you use when you learn your vocabulary, the easier it will be for you to remember. So basically, the idea is a la derecha de, you would point to the right. A la izquierda de, you'd point to the left. Al lado de, signal right beside you. Entre is between. So think like you're entering in somewhere. Think between, you have to enter between two things. And then detrás is behind. Delante is in front. And so you'd point behind you and point in front of you. But I'll show you a video there too. And then listen to the Senor Wooly song. It'll help you kind of get stuck in your head until you learn them. Also, I have this page of prepositions that are linked to pictures. So maybe it will help you practice them if you'd like to. And I'll just post these slides in the course document tab in the folder. Okay, hasta pronto clase. Adiós.